so as soon as I start it, they're both gonna run away.
Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone in affection. I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The press will be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is.
Guys, this is my first time trying Poke Bros. Poke Bros, fresh fish in Hawaiian style. Yes, yes, so excited. So excited. Poke and Gastonia, yay. Yay. Oh, by the way guys, I just wanted to let you know, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog or the driving POV as I eat my Poke. So, like, comment, subscribe. I know you guys wanted to see this. I gave it to you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content of the Cobra and car content. Yes, yes. Love you guys.